Welcome to the social science class. Today we are going to start the new chapter. Children, next chapter is chapter 8 of history. Name of the chapter is The First Empire. The Mauryan dynasty is considered as the first empire in Indian history. Do you know what is an empire? An empire is a very large kingdom ruled by an emperor. Children, Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of this Mauryan empire. He raised an army and, with the support of Chanakya, he overthrew the Nanda Empire in 322 BCE and founded the Mauryan Empire. Sources of this empire are both literary as well as archaeological. If we talk about the literary sources, Arthashastra and Indica are the two main literary sources. Children, the Arthashastra was written by Chanakya, whereas Indica was the account of the Greek ambassador Megasthenes. In archaeological sources, like rock and pillar edicts, provide valuable information about Emperor Ashoka. Some of the important edicts include Girnar, Sarnath, Sanchi, Laurya, Nandangad, Rupnath, etc. The Panchmark coins also give us the information about this period. Children, the Chandragupta Maurya was the first ruler of the Mauryan Empire. He ruled the Mauryan Empire between 321 and 297 BCE. Under Chandragupta's reign, a uniform and efficient system of administration developed, which was improved by his grandson Ashoka. Children, Bindusara was the successor of Chandragupta. He ruled for 27 years between 297 and 273 BCE, and Chanakya continued to be the minister of the state. Children, Bindusara defeated 16 rulers and added their territories to the Mauryan Empire. Under his rule, the Mauryan Empire spread across the whole Indian subcontinent, except Kalinga and few other kingdoms of the south. Bindusara had friendly relations with the Greek rulers and was able to maintain the vast empire that he inherited from his father. Children, Bindusara was succeeded by Ashoka in 273 BCE. Ashoka was the most famous and influential Mauryan ruler. He was the son of Emperor Bindusara and Queen Devi Dharma. He quickly grew into an admirable warrior general and a wise statesman. Children, Ashoka inherited the vast empire built by his grandfather and his father. Only one province remained unconquered, that is Kalinga. Kalinga forms a part of present day Odisha. It was an important conquest for Ashoka as it controlled the land and sea routes to South India and Southeast Asia. In 261 BCE, Ashoka succeeded in conquering Kalinga, but Kalinga War goes down in history as one of the bloodiest wars that witnessed death, destruction, and suffering on a large scale. After this war, his heart was filled with intense sorrow and repentance. He decided to give up war forever and became a follower of Buddhism. Children, after the Kalinga War, spreading Dhamma became Ashoka's main goal. Ashoka's Dhamma was not a religious policy but a code of conduct that one should follow to lead a virtuous and peaceful life. Dhamma is the Prakrit word for the Sanskrit term dharma, which means religious duty. Ashoka's Dhamma was inspired by the teachings of Buddha. It did not involve any elaborate rituals and sacrifices. Ashoka asked his people to be generous and avoid selfishness, to maintain a high moral character, to be honest and non partial, to be kind, gentle, and helpful, to lead a simple life, to follow non violence, to be patient, to promote peace and harmony. Children, Ashoka wanted his people to know the concept of Dhamma and to adopt Dhamma in their lives. He led by example and followed the principle of Dhamma in his daily life. He gave up the luxurious and pleasurable life that he led before the Kalinga War. Children, he appointed Dharma Mahamatras or religious teachers and missionaries to spread Dhamma. Ashoka propagated his ideas and Dhamma in places like Bodh Gaya and Lumbini and also helped the poor and needy. He issued rock and pillar edicts which contained the principles of Dharma. Most of these edicts were written in Prakrit, which was easily understood by people. He placed these edicts in public places like markets, temples, etc., where a large number of people could read them. Children, Mauryan Empire was very important and popular empire in Indian history. It had established a highly centralized system of administration. The king was the supreme authority and was responsible to maintain social order and protect his people. The welfare of the people was also the king's responsibility. The king was assisted by a Mantri Parishad or Council of Ministers. The revenue department was headed by a Samharta or Chief Revenue Collector. The sources of revenue included land, trade, and income from forests, mining, fines, duties, and gifts. The Mauryan Empire was divided into provinces and was ruled by representatives appointed by the king. These representatives were mostly the members of the royal family itself. These provinces were further divided into districts. A headman was in charge of a village, which was the further part of the district and the smallest administrative unit. The village headman was chosen by the village. The Mauryan Empire controlled a large army including soldiers, elephants, horses, and chariots. The main function of the army was to maintain internal harmony and to face external threats. Children, Patliputra was the capital of the Mauryan Empire. The city administration was looked after by a committee of 30 members. The committee was divided into 6 boards, each comprising 5 members. Each board was responsible to look after a specific department. That is, first one is comfort and security of foreigners. Second is registration of births and deaths. Third, industry. Fourth, trade and commerce. Fifth, collection of taxes and revenue. And sixth one was the inspection of manufactured goods. The reign of Ashoka lasted for 50 years, and after the death of Ashoka, at least 7 kings ruled, and all of them were incompetent. The last king of the Mauryan dynasty was Bridhartha, who was assassinated by his general Pushyamitra, who started a new dynasty known as the Shanga dynasty. Thank you, Shamstars. That's all for today. In case of any doubt, you can drop your